To add Amazon Prime Visa to Samsung Pay, start by ensuring your device is compatible with Samsung Pay and that you have the latest software updates installed. Open the Samsung Pay app on your device and sign in with your Samsung account if prompted. Next, tap the menu icon and select Cards. Then tap Add Card and choose Credit or Debit Card. Take a picture of your Amazon Prime Visa card or manually enter the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Verify your card details and agree to the terms and conditions. You may be prompted to verify your identity through a one-time password sent to your phone or email. Enter the verification code to complete the verification process. Once your card is added, you will be prompted to set up a secure method to authenticate transactions, such as a PIN, fingerprint, or iris scan. Choose your preferred method and follow the prompts to complete the setup. After setting up the authentication method, your Amazon Prime Visa card is now added to Samsung Pay and ready for use. To make a payment, open Samsung Pay, select your Amazon Prime Visa card, and authenticate the transaction using your chosen method. You can also use Samsung Pay to track your transactions, view your card details, and receive notifications for any suspicious activity. To do this, open the Samsung Pay app, select your Amazon Prime Visa card, and tap on the Transaction History or Card Details tab. Best practices for using Samsung Pay with your Amazon Prime Visa card include keeping your device and Samsung Pay app up to date, using a secure authentication method, and monitoring your transaction history regularly. By following these steps and best practices, you can enjoy the convenience and security of using Samsung Pay with your Amazon Prime Visa card.